Hey everyone, this is Emily from MyClosetRocks.com, where we sell pre-authenticated designer fashion at a fraction of retail price. I'm really excited to go over my review of the Louis Vuitton Bumbag, which is always sold out, hard to find, but I did get one secondhand, so I wanted to kind of show you what fits inside, if the bag is really practical and worth the money, as well as show you a couple mod shots and styling and how it will work for you. Without further ado, here it is. And first things first, I'm gonna say I never thought I'd want a bum bag. I just thought they were so bulky. I was like, I don't really wear waist bags. But now that I know kind of how to style it and how practical it really can be, I am a big fan. I usually like mini bags, but this can fit so much stuff in it. And I find it really handy, especially if you're going out for an entire day. You can fit everything you need in here to survive. So here are the features of the bag. It has gold hardware. It has 2 zippers. It has the Louis Vuitton logo in the vachetta leather. It has a key ring down here. I've heard that this is supposed to be for, you can tie your scarf or attach something else to it, whatever you want. And then it's got a top handle right here. In the back, it has a really very adjustable strap, which is really great. And then it has a very large pocket in the back here as well. If we open it up, it is a black canvas lining, and there are no pockets in the interior. All right, so this bag is obviously secondhand. It was purchased in 2019, which means that the leather has a nice kind of honey-colored patina, so it does age fairly well, except there are a lot of wrinkles and water stains on the strap. You can see right here, so just be wary of that. If you do adjust it a lot, it is going to wrinkle faster. If you keep it in the same little spot, like the same adjustment hole and place, it should wear a little bit slower. All right, so you can fit a lot of stuff in this back pocket, but I recommend putting things that are valuable, like your wallet and cash and things like that, just so it's on you towards the back, that no one could kind of slip in it and grab anything. So that's kind of a really nice feature to kind of keep things really zipped in and very safe. All right, let's see what fits inside. So first I have this very large Chanel wallet. So if you do you're one of those people that has large wallets, it will definitely fit in here, as well as if you have an XL phone, one of those huge ass phones, it will fit. So you can fit that in there quite nicely. And then I was also able to fit a mini pochette accessoire. So that was kind of cool. I was like, oh, wow, that fits it. Okay. So there we go. And then I've got just a little Louis Vuitton key pouch, this key holder, my sunglasses, and then of course I have my phone that can also fit in here. So you can see everything fits fairly comfortably. It is a little heavy, but because it's not a regular handbag, it doesn't weigh on one shoulder. Your body takes a lot of the weight. It kind of distributes it equally, which makes it for a really easy carry. So even if you didn't want to bring all of these wallets or whatever, so we can take out the Chanel wallet, and we can fit a water bottle. Can I just say mini water bottles are the best? So here's a mini water bottle, and you can actually fit it right in there comfortably. So see that? So that's pretty nice. And then of course that leaves the back pocket for whatever you want, maybe some cash or whatever you have left, little tiny things to put in there. So right now this bag is priced at $16.90 on the Louis Vuitton website. I believe that's after a couple price increases. But it is worth kind of stalking the website, but you might have better luck getting it secondhand. Now I'm going to show you a couple of different ways you can wear this and which way is my personal favorite. So my favorite way to wear this bag is actually on my back. I know most people wear it either on their front or on their side, but I truly like kind of like a backpack experience. But it's just so easy to kind of just, if you need something to just kind of bring it to the front, the zippers are right there and you can kind of grab what you need without even taking it off. And then you can just pop it right back there. I'm about 5'4", and I also wear a size 24 or 25 in pants. So I did find this a little bit large, actually. It's just barely fits me, and there's 2 ways of adjusting this. So we have all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes here, but then there's also this fully adjustable slide here. So you can just pull this in and adjust it a lot, which I like that it does fit a ton of different sizes, which is great. So it kind of, if I do tighten it a lot, it does kind of hang down, like it almost could, you know, slide off a little bit, but so it is a little loose, but I think it's too bulky for my waist. Like I just don't feel like I would wear this. I would feel a little bit ridiculous, but that's also because I have more of like a casual style, which this does cater to. But with that being said, I feel like it's just a little bit too much for me personally. But I see other people that wear it and they look amazing. I just can't pull it off. Thank you all so much for watching this review of the Louis Vuitton bum bag. I want to know what your thoughts of it, how you style it, if you think it's worth the money. I want to know. Please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that alert button if you want to know when new videos and reviews come out. Thanks again.